Okay, well, when we're talking about regions, we're talking about the populations that live in the various regions of Texas. Most of our populations are going to be living a little more towards the east, where there's more rainfall. We've got a lot more agriculture and more industry. Well, and speaking of population, we also need to look at age distribution. A population pyramid is a graph that shows the distribution of a population by gender and age. So why do we use population pyramids? Well, a population pyramid is full of data. It's separated out into male and female, and it also has the various age groups. That data can reveal that information about the population itself. It can also tell you by the shape of the pyramid what the development of that country is and how stable the country is politically, socially, and economically. Here again we see that phrase that we've talked about previously, PSE, political, social, and economic. The big thing with a population pyramid is you can predict where the country is going. You can infer from the data what kind of forecasted problems there might be, and you're able to formulate solutions from those problems. So, what are the three types of population pyramids that are out there? The first type of pyramid is expansive. An expansive pyramid is one that has a fat, wide bottom base at the bottom. This means that there is a high birth rate. A high birth rate. A high birth rate is going to signify that this country has a lower standard of living. Usually this is going to be a developing country. This is going to be more like your third world countries. Okay, our next pyramid. The next type of graph pyramid is a stationary pyramid. A stationary pyramid is going to show slow growth rate. You're going to see it's kind of even all the way throughout. That doesn't have to be perfect, but it is even. This has a narrow base usually, and that includes a low birth rate. In a stationary pyramid, the older population is reducing. And you're going to see that almost even amount between all of the different age groups. You'll see this usually in developed countries. Our next pyramid is the constrictive pyramid. This one shows negative growth. With this negative growth pyramid, you're going to see a very narrow base at the very bottom, which shows a very low birth rate for that country. These type of countries are going to have a very reduced young population, which you see at the bottom of the pyramid that's inverted upside down. This is going to be developed countries. These are going to be more like your first world countries. Okay, to sum everything up, overall you have an expansive pyramid, a stationary pyramid, and a constrictive pyramid. These pyramids show the distribution of the population, by age and by gender. Usually when you're looking at these graphs, at these pyramids, this right hand side is going to be male, while the left hand side is going to be female, or vice versa. However it shows on there. What you'll need to do is look for the colors or look for the symbols that show you where each side is. Alright, till next time.